Hi, it's Emily from WTI. My husband and I are huge fans of craft beer, but we've been trying to reduce the amount of alcohol we're drinking and reduce the amount of calories and carbs we're ingesting too. That used to mean you'd have to give up delicious craft beer, but not anymore. I want to introduce you to an amazing brand of non-alcoholic beer called GO Brewing. Gone are the days when every non-alcoholic beer tasted like a bad, cheap lager. GO Brewing has managed to craft incredible non-alcoholic beers with very complex and delicious flavor profiles. My husband and I really loved trying this variety 6-pack. As you can see, we scored them all. There was everything from a shandy to a sour to a pils and several varieties of IPAs. Now, IPAs are not my favorite particular style of beer. They are my husband's favorite though. But I've had enough IPAs to know a good one when I taste one. And I have to say, of all the beers that we've tried from GO Brewing, they absolutely nail an amazing IPA. These days, being sober curious, being into non-alcoholic options, mocktails, all those things, awareness about alcohol consumption is really increasing. And I'm here for it. I love to have interesting and fun drinks when I'm out with friends or when we've prepared a delicious meal, but I would often prefer to skip the alcohol part of those drinks. So I am always on the hunt for good non-alcoholic alternatives. So I highly recommend checking out the non-alcoholic brews from GO Brewing. These are super flavorful, super interesting, and all of those really fun flavor combinations that you find in unique craft beers. I don't think you can go wrong with these guys, but if I had to pick, I would say they are killing the IPA game. But that's my point of view.